In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your YouTube search history from your iPhone. So we're just going to start by loading up the YouTube application. Click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side and then click on the settings wheel in the top right. Now select manage all history, and then from this page you'll be able to find both your YouTube watch history as well as your search history as well. Now in order to clear this history, we can either remove each item individually like so. So you can just click on the cross icon next to the video that you want to remove from your history. Alternatively, you can scroll all the way to the top of this page, click on the delete button and just select a time range from when you want to delete. Now another thing you can do is actually just turn off your search history altogether, and we can do that by clicking on saving your YouTube history and just going ahead and clicking on this turn off button. And as you can see, this will turn off all of our search and watch history. So I'm going to click on pause, and as you can see, this setting is now disabled. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.